What's up, monkers? Today we found a Gorilla Tag fan game called Monkey's Place, but they're copying literally like Monkey's Roam. Monkey's Roam is it's kind of like Monkey's Place, but Monkey's Place is like I'll say to Monkey's Roam. But we got two Gorilla Tag fan games to check out: Monkey's Roam and Monkey's Place. But this is Monkey's Place. But this one is horror. But we're gonna do horror last. Let's just check out the shop. My brother's PS5 is there. I don't know why, but maybe we're gonna use it. But come on, man. But this is bannable when you put it like a lot. This is bannable. I don't understand why this is bannable. I need to get like that much Shamrocks for this. But there is a camera mod here. I don't understand why though, but this is kind of weird though. But this is basically camera mod. I don't know why though, but this is actually a right dimension of camera mod. But you can change your color. I want to change my color into green, dude. I don't know why is that green. Dude, I want to... Oh. There. Okay. Now we turn camera mode. Ew, look at my booty. Bro, that looks like an ass. So we're in Monkey Room. Oh my god, dude. What the heck is this, dude? Oh my god. Do you know actually the heck is this, dude? Oh my god, I'm basically bouncing everywhere. Somebody help me with this, please. And why did I change my color? I didn't mean to do this. Get away from this camera mod thing. I'm basically like, I was like, oh, what? I'm stuck. What? I'm stuck. Oh, what? I'm stuck. I must restart my game. Here we go. Must restart my game. There we go. Nico, I've caught up. This type of day. Monkey's Place needs to say this. Sticking at Jokia for the wrist word. Now we need to go. There's this one game called Cube Runners, though, but this is not in Monkey's Place. Wait a minute. Are we in TTM?
Dude, oh.
Yeah, wait a minute. I believe I'm trusting.
Hey, I got like a 15 subscribers on my channel.
I could go in here. Oh, there's some comments I should
get. I don't do like Gorilla Tag. I don't even do VR content yet. However, I'm starting to.
Yes, you could.
Change it up a bit.
This is sick though. What? Could you get these?
I'm not going to do Gorilla Tag content. That's some friends that are like, you know.
I'm putting a trusted user sign here. I'm
yeah, honestly,
user.
I'd say it's like. I mean,
guys, who wants to go to horror mode with me? Who wants to go to horror mode? Guys, who wants to go to horror mode?
Moderation is so terrible.
Who wants to go to horror mode? Horror mode, guys.
I'm like banned for 4 weeks and I have to get unbanned on like March 7th, which might seem like.
Okay, I must tell people to go to horror with me because the horror is pretty scary. Scary. Whoa! What the? What is this? Yo, you could go to outer space. Yo, I could actually see the world.
Oh, I'm just running around on the moon.
Oh my god. Go to Saturn. Go to Saturn.
I could.
I'm just running around.
Eat the
I'm a
whole
dark red monkey with a big axe.
Monkey's Place?
No, not in the moon. I'm outside of it.
You know what the heck is it? Dude, how am I supposed to get out of here?
I'm just running around there.
I need to go to Gorilla. I need to go to Gorilla Tag
I don't have
wanna see
anything.
something I can do? You wanna see something I
Go
can do?
around
Yo,
it.
let me bonk you 12 times in the head.
Ready?
Come on, stay here.
There's a
Here, you should see me.
crucifix.
Come on, stay there. Just
How do you
look
get
up.
7,500 for a scale? How do you get
Wait a
that?
minute. Yo,
no.
we're
Play the game
going
for
to Saturn.
Ready,
Guys,
see me? I'm in the
go
sky.
to Saturn.
Come back down. Help me, please.
Oh my
Wait a minute,
Alright,
can
I
you
don't even
go in the
see
thing?
you, bro.
Oh,
You're
you can.
blending in with the
Saturn.
sky. I do not see
Guys,
you.
Oh
do I have
my
my air
god.
tank on? Guys, do I have my air tank on?
That's only when you're on Mars.
Wait a minute, I want to go to Mars.
Bro, this.
I want back on Moon.
Honestly, the Gorilla
I'm
Tag
falling
updates
down right there, I'm falling
have just
down.
been terrible.
Guys,
like the
what's it called?
Valentine's update only brought back the volcano, nothing else. And I
I got
will
my
say
own
the
game.
Timble map is kind of fun, but other than that, it's not like
Where's
the space
your slide?
update.
Whoa! What?
Honestly, the
We're
Timble
back.
map is like.
We're
I mean,
back.
the Timble map isn't that bad.
We're back. Wait a
Honestly, I
minute.
just-
Where? Why is there a monkey peeing in the pool? Why is there a monkey peeing in
I
the
know
pool?
this space
Come
update
on, bro.
hasn't released in a while.
Dude, your mom's
And yet,
gonna be
honestly,
very mad
I
at you
just say.
when you pee in the
Guys.
pool. Woo. Never drink pee because that's inedible.
Oh, dude.
Guys, who
I
wants to
have
go to
an air
horror? Who wants to go to horror?
You have an air tank?
Me!
Let's go to horror, guys. Everybody
Who's
wants to
that
go to
kid that was
horror.
saying all the slurs left?
Let's go
I want to go to
horror.
horror.
Luckily.
Wait for me.
Go. Horror's right. Wait a minute. Why do they? Wait a minute. Why do they have them?
no,
No, I don't want to go there right now. That one sucks. I have heard about that on YouTube.
Dude, I hope
Dude,
I don't
next
launch myself
box
too far.
sucks.
See if I can actually.
Dude, the usual horror's right there.
Where are you?
I've heard about Monkey's Place on
I'm at
YouTube.
the launch.
And next box
I
is
survived.
stupid.
I survived.
Wait a minute. How about I should try Monkey? How about I should try next
I gotta leave in like 4 minutes, so
next
I have
box?
to.
Why is this added?
bye.
What the?
I'm waving.
Whoa! 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 Run! The Obama! Sonic the Hedgehog! Man! No, they cannot see you.
Get away.
Oh no! 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 Wait, what? Help me! Help me! Help me! No! 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 Oh, I got kicked.
Let's see.
Wait a minute. Guys. Hey guys, we should go in horror mode. We should go in the usual horror, guys. McDonald's have or a sad meal. We should go here. We should go in horror, guys. We should go in horror.
I'm coming. Guys,
Wait, it's this time here.
guys.
Oh wait a minute, how did it go crucifixes?
We should go.
But I got cosmetics. I don't know because I heard there's free cosmetics here. Oh crap! It's a horror movie. Oh heck no!
Monkey.
Wait a minute, how is it?
You.
What?
Guys, I'm currently streaming.
Let's go to
right
horror.
now.
Let's go to horror, guys.
Let me get some-
Guys, I'm recording a video to make an interview on this game. Yo, let's go. Monsters are literally blocking on my speed dude.
Guys, I'm coming back.
Listen, we need to run. Dude, how is it the
scared.
monsters?
Superstar.
Yep, the monsters are pretty creepy, dude. I'm not standing this. Dude,
Help
look over
me.
there. Oh, oh.
Help.
Get you, get up, get up, get up. Guys, I heard the exit's here. Wait a minute.
Help me. What?
Where's the exit? Oh, he's right
Wait
there.
for me.
Oh, we're at the God place. I don't know.
Let's do it.
Oh, level 2, look behind you. What's this game over? Oh no, run! 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 Oh, it works. Nice.
I can't run that fast.
Run! Run for a life, Squandy. You're running.
Wait for me.
Run. Oh no, the monster, dude. I'm scared of this dude. Run. Wait, when I'm done doing this, I'm gonna sync the video. This is great. crazy. Oh, move!
Where we go?
Oh, crap. I don't know how to do level 3 yet. I heard there was a level 4. I heard level 4 got canceled. I don't know why. Let's go to sad actually. Level 4 got canceled. Oh, we're going to eat now.
Monkey.
Oh, crap. Wait a minute. How did he do that? Wait a minute. I heard there is a bug you could make the monster in there. Oh, but let's try it. Oh my god, dude. What is this? This is so sick. Wait a minute. Why is there a button? What? Oh, yo, what? What is this? Yo! This is sick. Dude, I must do this. Oh my god, dude, the monster. Come on. Oh.
I'm still in love.
The monster. Run for the woods.
I can't get out from school.
I hear him going everywhere. Oh crap! Oh crap! We're going away. He killed the monster. He killed it.
The monster's right here.
Bro, my monster got killed. Dude, level 3. Wait, man. Can you glitch out? Oh, man. Oh, wait, we could.
Oh god.
What? I thought you could. I don't want to be here, dude. This is so scary.
Where are you?
Get me out of here.
It's like a vibe. My monster.
Level 3. Dude. I don't know what's the rest, dude. 1 green. This is so hard, dude. Oh, why this hard mode is hard. Horror mode is hard. Yep, Monkey's Place.